Well, a bit of a windy day. Hopefully the cover I have on the microphone on this thing will make me audible. But I'm currently at another spot at the Columbia Gorge, heading to the upper McCord Creek Falls trail. And as you can see, a lot of this area has been kind of burned out by the fires that hit the Columbia Gorge really hard. And so some of the trails in this network are closed out, but this particular one is open. So just gonna go wander this trail and go to one of the many utterly beautiful waterfalls that you find in the Columbia Gorge and film some of the burned forest around the way. So come join me, it'll be fun.
Often, incredible wonders can be found on the less explored trails. Trees still bearing the scars of the Columbia Gorge's fires. Yet beyond the burn, a great watery treasure waits to be found. Up the trail to a rocky precipice. The overhanging wet rocks made for somewhat anxious hiking, but would be worth every cautious step. Follow the railing and a breathtaking waterfall appears.
You know, I've really got to say, I just absolutely love the waterfalls of the Columbia Gorge. And they're made all the more special when you find those that are a little less traveled. You know, going down this path next to these sheer cliffs by a burn zone, you can see so many of these burned trees. It just gives it that extra bit of gratification where you just really feel that you worked for these falls, that they're in a place that are less frequently traveled. You can see little pieces of rock fall on the ground and just a little, almost this element of danger, right? You can just see the potential for landslides with the overhanging cliff, and this is clearly somewhere that's a little less maintained, and it just makes it so very, very worth all of the effort that it takes. And just these amazing, towering, dramatic cliffs, and just thinking about the story of how those are formed with the vast Ice Age floods, these channels coming from the main channel with 10 times the flow of all the world's rivers combined. You know, that's the planet that we live in, and that is what makes the Columbia Gorge so utterly incredible. Just love it.